respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to present you a thought for the day. Today's thought is, I don't trust words, I trust vibes. People can tell you anything, but a vibe tells you everything. I repeat my thought. I don't trust words, I trust vibes. People can tell you anything, but a vibe tells you everything. It means we should not blindly trust what people say, because many times their words don't match with their actions or feelings, whereas their vibes tell the truth and we can trust them to find the truth. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. And for more education and fun videos, please subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a good day.